Buddy, you're doing awesome. This? It's downhill. I'm sure you can't do it uphill. Watch where you're going. Buddy, you better watch where you're going. You having fun? Can you turn around and go the other way? Try and turn around this way. Follow Daddy. Turn, turn. You know how to turn the handles? Turn, turn, turn. Buddy.
Daddy, that's not Daddy's car.
It looks nothing like Daddy's car.
It looks Daddy's car.
Okay, let's turn around and go the other way.
Yeah, Presley was using it first, bud. Buddy, you go help Daddy. Presley, do you want to help Daddy? Come on, you guys, come back this way, okay? Let me see your hands. Oh, you're dirty. All right, come on, let's walk towards the garage. Come on, buddy. Spencer. Buddy, come on. Come on, buddy, let's go. Spencer, you're not listening. Buddy, what are you doing? Buddy, let me see your tussie. Turn around. No, turn around all the way so I can see how dirty you are. Oh, buddy. And let's see you, madam. Oh, Presley, you're gross. You're dirty, you're muddy.
I'm gonna go back to my soldier one.